Well, looky here what was given to me. A guy's that works with my wife. I think his father either passed away or doesn't need this anymore. Is at a place where he can't do stuff like this anymore. And he asked my wife if I would be interested in any electric fences. Asked her if I had any interest in that. She said he has lots of interest in that. So I've kind of dug through it. This one works. I hooked it up to a battery. That one is a 12 volt, and it's a outdoor, and it's a pretty good one. I think I clocked it at about 10,000 volts. I think so. I've got one of these, or had one of these, and it finally blinked on me and wouldn't work. That takes a big, you can put I think a bunch of D cells in it, and or one of the big 6 volt with the little springy things on top, terminals on top. This one, it would be an AC. That would have to be indoor, or under a shed, under something. Ground 25. I'm really not sure of the distance on any of these. That one that's also 110 volt, so that would have to be indoor too. When I say indoors, just under a shed, under somewhere, this unit could not get wet. The rest of it, can get wet, of course, your fence and stuff. And I've got two solars. Both of them look like they're the same. Neither one of them will work, but I'm sure it just because they need batteries in it. I hope I can find batteries for that. That's a 25-mile fence, so should have some pretty good joules to it. Joules is the measurement of the shock value. And the ones that I have one with I think it's a half a joule, and one is 1 joule and one is 2 joules. That 2 joule will knock the snot out of you. So I'm not sure what these are, but take that and put it anywhere. It's got an internal battery, I'm sure, and I just haven't opened it yet. I would imagine those 2 screws right there will probably get you in. Probably take the whole, that would probably take the front off of it. I don't know. Anyway, we'll have to see, but I got 2 solars free. Did I mention these were free? 2 solars. One that is an outdoor. It's 10 miles, Tractor Supply. Like I said, I've had one of those. I think I threw it away because it just, even with good batteries in it, didn't work. And this one says three options. You can do a 12 volt. I think that's a 6. I don't have my glasses on. 6 volt external battery and a 12 volt. The flashlight, the D cell flashlight batteries, external battery, and it's got an internal, that tall looking battery. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count them, 7 fence chargers. If just half of that works, so which would be what, 3.5. If 3.5 of them work, then I'm in the money. I mean, that's pretty good. I can put these on the back fence. I can put these anywhere. The solar ones and the DC ones, all I have to do is take a battery and it's ready. Hook up the ground wire, and it is a jamming dude. So I've been wanting to show you that, and I just hadn't done that. 2 of these, again, just alike. Those 2 are just alike. And I got to figure out how to get in it and then look for the battery. I've tried the on and off switch. Actually, I haven't put them out in the sun. I need to do that first. Put them out in the sun for a little while, and then turn it on, see what happens. I'll do that. I'll let you know. Anyway, pretty cool. Got some stuff give to me, and I likes that. All right. So you never know what you're gonna get. Don't turn down nothing. My motto is I don't turn down anything that's free unless it's illegal or immoral. That's a pretty good mantra to live by. you may want to adopt that yourself. All right, that's it. We're fixing to go charge some fences up, knock something down. We're gone.